I did want to get this for the most important reason, and that is for my own health. I did go ahead and put in for the subscription. And honestly, if you think about it, the subscription box is about $10 more than what I'm paying for, maybe a little bit more, maybe $15 more than what I'm paying for my Sterling Ink sticker subscription, because I get the deluxe kit. So I'm looking forward to getting my June subscription box, but let's get into here. And these boxes definitely will be used for storage, keepsakes, and everything like that. It came well packaged. I'm going to go into this. I know a lot of you probably have already seen the ins and outs of what's in this box, but I'm going to show you anyway. I did, as you can see, take the cellophane off of everything. This is the Tomoe River paper. And here with this set, I received a gold ink gel pen. It's a 0.8 millimeter, which is a medium. And it's definitely a lot larger than what I normally get. The box, again, beautiful packing. The set is based on the designs of lily pads and lotuses. So love that. The pen itself, it's gorgeous. It's an off-white with gold trim. It is very weighted, which I was not expecting. I was expecting kind of like a plasticky pen that you pick it up and you can accidentally throw it across the room. This is not what this is. So it posts beautifully, but it feels like I'm holding a fountain pen. So I'm impressed. That's like 10 out of 10 stars for me on that one. Let me go ahead and write out. It is very smooth. This writes beautifully. It's very smooth. And as you can see what I mean by the fact that it's more of a size medium. And I'm going to bring this up. Let me see if I can catch so that you can see the gold that is in this ink. It's a beautiful, almost warm yellow, but the gold in it is quite beautiful. And then let me do a sample. This does come with a red dot on the tip of it. That red dot is there to help seal the ball so that the gel does not dry out, and that you need to make sure that you really get in and remove, like in this fashion, that little red plastic dot. Otherwise, it's going to get caught up in the ball of your nib or tip, and the ball won't move properly. Well, I have not found it, but I am doing I used to do a lot of henna work when I did weddings, when I wasn't working on film sets. So I'm going to do a henna flower and see if I can get it to show up here. There it is. Very, very pretty. It's a great pen. It's not specifically, I'm not a huge gel pen user other than my Sarasa, but I may start looking into other ones only because I know that there are some of the papers out there outside of the Tomoe River that really aren't fountain pen friendly, but I will be on a journey to find out. Let's get on with what's in this box. So in here is my first set of stamps with Archer and Olive, which I'm looking forward to trying their ink and their stamps. So these are their wellness stamps. And I have a pencil and a quill. So this I may actually use to write down what I am using in my book, my planner. And then I have a lotus and a lily pad, color of the sunset, color of the sky. So these are all stuff for encouragement, self-care ritual, checklists, let's see, level of happiness. You've got your circle, your heart, and your box checklists. And then day of rest, mindful moment, and I'm grateful for. Then you've got your beautiful flowers here, lily pads and lotuses, and then a big box. And then, of course, weather, color of your mood. This all comes with this beautiful block, and it does have a film on it. So this will be nice and clean and clear for you to be able to swatch on. So that's, I prefer, honestly, the clear ones so that I know where things are going. And then here is a smaller container of their permanent black ink. So I'm looking forward to that. I love the design on top because it's consistent through the set. I don't like ripping boxes if I can help it, especially ones done up as these. So these are the prompt cards. Now, a lot of prompts are normally for questions. Like, what was your favorite song for this month or last year or anything like that? And when I looked through these, I was wondering if that's what we were going to be getting here, and it's not. I really like what this is. It's a question and an activity on some of them. So actually, I believe on all of them, yes, it's a question and an activity. So we've got a mindful moment, simple joys, breathe deeply, worry, release, sweet savor, disconnect to reconnect, mindful play, a slow, peaceful morning, small gratitude, pause for gratitude, one day of rest, kind words, nature's calm, joy in the present, self-care ritual, letting go, restorative intention, mind-body connection, inner calm, and revive and restore. So what I will be doing with these will be one day a week. I'll pull one and answer the question, do the activity, and then journal about that. At least that's my plan. So this is the washi box. And I have watched a few of past washi boxes, and I think they're all really great. I wish I could get a hold of some of the old ones, especially the March box. I love butterflies and would have loved to have had that large washi, but I've already contacted them. I can't get it. But this one has the diagonal stripe with gold and the deep teal. This looks like more affirmations and then, or prompts. This is the lotus and the lily pads, along with the, in gold or a yellow ecru. This would be the lily pads and lotus in just more of a sketch and shadow type of look. And I love this look. So I cannot wait to use those. And then comes the book with all of the gold accents. I'm going to come back out so that you can see a little bit easier. And it has the elastic band along with the elastic pen holder, decorative bookmark, and then inside it has the beautiful paper. I am a little disappointed in the fact that these aren't numbered pages, but it's okay. I'm not tracking anything. This is more for me. And seeing as I'm saying that this is more for me, I want to share a few things. Steve and I, as I have mentioned before, Steve has been helping me on my health journey, along with the doctors over at Unbridled Spirit. their staff, which is amazing. And then also Sue with the salt, Element Salt Room Focus on Fascia. And I am doing so much better, to the point where I am actually talking with Steve about going from this book to this book. That does not mean that I'm getting rid of this one. It just means that in here, I'm going to be doing a little bit more. This one is probably going to wind up being the one that goes with me when I travel, where I won't have the time to really put into here, but yet I still need to keep track of everything.